Today is March 26th, and it's just giving Lance a bath. And then my dad called me on FaceTime, so I went to pick it up. And then I came back, and this guy pooped, like all this yellow stuff floating in the net. So I had to go rinse the net, rinse the baby bathtub, and rinse his butt. Now we're back on track to giving him a bath. And he's like kind of scared because when Daddy was holding him, Daddy was throwing him in the air like, wee, wee, and he was like, ah! So he was screaming his head off. Poor kid. Huh? Daddy always messing with you. Always messing with you. Huh? Yeah. So anyways, we're giving him a bath. Giving you a bath. Daddy doesn't mean to scare you. We're gonna give you a bath. Wash, 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 wash. Wash those little feet. Wash your little feet. He's really scared. He's scared. Wash your little butt. Wash your little butt. Okay, let's rinse you off. Let's rinse your hair. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Let's put you straighter. There, see? Better. Oh, okay. I know. He was cold because he was hanging in the air for about 3 minutes while I have to redo the tub after he pooped in it. And you know what? His sister did the same thing at about this age, 2 months old. It's about like this passage, right? A passage to motherhood. Because the baby's always got to poop in the tub. So anyways, we get his hair. And then I get the towel. Make sure his ears are clean inside or there's no like water. Just get his face one more time. And this is the most important part. This neck. I always got to pull it up and check. Because sometimes I'll, go in really in there. And then the next thing you know, you check and it's still got milky. Another part, actually, I forgot. His armpit. Must clean this pit. Sometimes you don't clean it, you get little lint in there. Or like buildup. There's a lot of folds to get to. Mommy gotta get to this one, armpit. Good. Yeah. And then now, just make sure we get the private good, since he pooped. That booty. That little booty. Okay. Now one last little, oh look, you got your own towel, huh? One more.